as you can see, I got a new hat. I've been dying out here, so needed to get something that covered more of my head, and I got my cooling towel on as well. So we're gonna head out in the middle of the woods here, hopefully meet up with my buddy Bob later if we run across each other at the same place, and see what we can find. It's gonna be brutal today. About like 98, something like that, 96, 98. It's getting really, really hot. Oh, we only got about 7 more months of it, so we'll survive. Alright folks, let's get out there. Hopefully we find something. Hey buddy. You're pretty tame for a rabbit. Like 10 feet from him, if that. Oh, you're alright. You're skitterish. Skittish. He gone. Let's go over my first target together here. It's pretty good. Turn it up. Sounds very irony, but it's an incredible amount of iron in here. It still could be iron, which I think I see rust. I'm gonna have to dig it out a little more. Hopefully it's just something masked by a lot of iron, but it could be deep iron, I suppose. I think there's something non-ferrous right here. That there is. That, my friends, is melted lead. So, at least it was a target. But I think there was, there was a square nail in the hole. Probably some other iron too. Yeah, but we'll get back at it. Let's start. Alright folks, this is my first signal in a while. As you can see, I've been out here for a while, but we got a signal. And that's good, so. '60s. There was another one over here, I thought. Maybe not, but I will search. 66. Oh. Small. Ooh, hoo, hoo. That is a cufflink. Holy smokes, is that a gorgeous cufflink. Look at that gold gilt. Wowza. Holy cow. I've never found it with that, with gold gilt on it before. Blow all the dust off, or the sand off. Wow. That is awesome. Let me put you in macro so you can see how gorgeous this thing is. Check that out. It's probably like hand engraved. There's the back. You can see it's broken. But there should be another one around here. Cufflink. So I will search this little area. Probably got hit by the plow. Hopefully I find the other one. I thought I heard another signal, so possibly could have it. That is gorgeous. Got a good signal here. Very deep. See if that got it. That sounds shotgun shelly-ish. Could be a button though. Or a cancel, I suppose. Alright, get the pinpointer out. Too small for a shotgun shell. Alright, where are you? Okay, I have no idea what this is. Some broken piece of something. But that's it. A broken piece of something. No idea. It was riveted together at one time. Well, this is pretty interesting here. You can see where some critter has been digging deep down there and throwing up the sand. But as I'm walking around here, I'm seeing eggshells. They found the eggs and brought them over here because those are turtle nests. They found the turtle's eggs and they're eating them. So a little armadillo or raccoon or something is digging these little holes and looking for the turtle nests, which I've seen a lot of gopher turtle holes around here. Here's another critter has been digging, looking for eggs. They succeeded in a couple because there is eggs. And I've seen quite a few. Oh, here's more. More eggs. Won't be surprised if we see a critter looking for one today. This was the weirdest signal of the day. I got a signal 39 to 41 right in here. That's not that deep. Like 3-inch plug, throw it out. Choppy 70s. What in the world? How did that change so much? It's aluminum, so that's probably why. That was such a weird signal. 40s to 70s. Came across my first high tone today. Figured we'd do it live together. That sounds right on top of the ground. It is. That is a fishing spinner. Not that old because it's got a braided line on the end there. That's copper though. What is this doing up here? That line is braided, so that can't be very old at all. Soldered. I don't know, maybe 60s or a little bit earlier. Screaming target though, I don't know what that's doing here. We're pretty far from water. Oh, check out the eagle. Dang it, we missed it. Huge eagle. Alright folks, so I kind of had it with the heat today, so I'm going to go to the water. There's an old boat dock that was probably gone by the 60s out here. I have detected on land by it. Found a bunch of old ammunition and stuff. There's some old glass, so maybe we'll find some bottles. It's a very, very, very popular lake as well, so we might walk up and down the shore looking for stuff people dropped in the water that is floated up. I'm just, whew, it's hot. So I'm going to the water. I'm not gonna go out too far. Probably up to like my knees maybe. I don't know. Some big old gators out here, so I'll stick close to shore. But too hot for me, so let's get up there. Do a little detecting, and I'll probably do a walking and looking for little treasures that are floated up. Stuff people drop, sunglasses, stuff like that. But I'll probably do that in a different video, but you'll see some detecting. Alright, it's really, really muddy out there. I went in up to here, and the grass is really high too. So, yeah, the water's really high. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll detect around here. I didn't find anything worth anything out there, but I'll detect. You'll see something, or we might go walking through the woods here looking for stuff too. We shall see. I didn't know the water was this high up. Just found an egg. Looks like a turtle shell. I don't think it came out of a tree, so maybe a turtle walked right here and laid it. They usually dig though. Don't know. They mowed, so it could have came up when they mowed. Anybody know what these are called? I don't have the slightest idea what they are. Boy, are they slimy. No idea. Doesn't smell sweet. Alright folks, here's a pretty doggone big golden orb weaver. Or banana spider. This one is huge. Nowhere near the biggest I've ever seen. But it is a big one. It's about half the size of my hand. Hey. And an even bigger one. My word. I think that's a lizard that's got in its nest, baby. Oh. We got a snake. I have no idea what kind it is. Can't tell if its pupils are round or not. It's got some really weird kinks in them. See that? He is all weirded out. I don't know, but we'll leave him alone. He must like that spot. We'll do a wide berth away from him. See you later, buddy. Happy trails. Alright, let's do a roundup here. Here's all my junk, just a bunch of shotgun shells and nails and all sorts of stuff. Found 2 of these spinners. Not too old. This piece, don't know what it was off of. This piece, copper, brass, don't know. A big old brass nut. Square hole. Not sure. Copper wire. Top of a fence post, I think. Part of a top, like a wood stove top. And we got our beautiful gold gilt cufflink. Gorgeous. It was worth it. Hope you all enjoyed. See you on the next.